Most people think that you need elite level credibility or endless spare time in order to grow on YouTube. But I am living proof that you don't. In this video, I'm going to show you how completely normal people just like you and I can beat the experts on YouTube, and why being average might just be our biggest unfair advantage. Back in 2023, I started a self-defense channel with my mate Raul. Neither of us looked particularly tough, to be honest with you, and at the time, I didn't even have any formal self-defense instructor qualifications. So there was a massive part of me that thought, why on earth would anyone listen to us? I also had no idea how to edit videos, and a full-time career working all over the world with no time to post every week. I felt completely and utterly unqualified. But I did it anyway. And by posting just one video every 2 weeks for just over 3 years, we ended up with over 100,000 subscribers and millions of views on YouTube. We even grew faster than some world-renowned self-defense experts who have posted hundreds or even thousands of videos on their channel over a long period of time. Experts who, quite frankly, are way more skilled at self-defense than Raul and I. So, how do we beat the experts? It turns out that being completely normal was actually our unfair advantage. When you are a recognized expert, you tend to suffer from the expert trap. You think that just because you are brilliant at what you do, you can post a video and magically people will appear and watch it. Experts often take the audience's attention for granted. They don't obsess over the little things like the title, the thumbnail, the hook, because they think that their credentials should speak for themselves. Whereas normal people like you and I know that we have to earn every single second of our audience's attention. That's why I spend just as much, if not more time, on the title, the thumbnail, and the first 15 seconds of every video than I do on the rest of the entire video. And I would strongly suggest that you do the same. Experts also love to show off everything that they know. They use complex language that only other experts will understand, and that immediately alienates 95% of their casual audience. The expert focuses on how good they are, rather than helping the person watching the video. And this is the biggest unfair advantage for the normal person, just like you and I. Normal people talk like normal people. We get to the point quicker, and we focus on solving the problem that the viewer has, rather than showcasing how good we are. Think of it this way. A green belt in karate that has been training for 2 or 3 years will far better understand the problems of a brand new white belt than a 15-year black belt ever could. The green belt still remembers exactly what it feels like to be clumsy, confused, overwhelmed. And because those struggles are still so fresh in their mind, they can easily explain the solutions in simple terms to the white belt. If you would consider yourself a green belt, an intermediate, an average level at anything, then you are in a far better position than you think to start making content. Go and find your white belts. Start thinking about the problems that you faced when you first started doing what you were doing and how you overcame those problems. Think about the successes that you had, the lessons that you learned, the mistakes you made, and start making content about that. Write your scripts like you're talking to a friend at the pub, not presenting a thesis, and make sure that the problem that the video is solving is clearly reflected in the video's title and thumbnail. The audience does not care about your qualifications. They only care that you can relate to them and solve their problems. I didn't even get a formal self-defense instructor qualification until I hit 60,000 subscribers. And even now, not one person has ever asked to see mine or Raul's instructor qualifications. They only care that we're solving their problems for them. It's the same in any niche. I'm learning the guitar at the moment and I watch Kenneth Acoustic on YouTube. I don't know or care how many formal qualifications in music he has. I just know that I watch his videos and he shows me how to easily play new songs. Happy days. For personal finance, I watch Damien Talks Money. Again, no idea if he ever studied finance at university. He just makes good educational content and he solves my problems. I've got a first-class finance degree and I watch personal finance videos on YouTube, so that goes to show how useful qualifications are. Now, you might also think that you need fancy, high-level editing in order to succeed on YouTube, but you do not. I, to this date, have edited every single one of my videos myself and designed every single one of my thumbnails myself. I taught myself and I keep it incredibly basic. In fact, our most viral video of all time had messed up audio. It was accidentally filmed in mono, and I still don't exactly know what that means, but basically if you put headphones in, you can only hear it in one ear, and it still got 2.5 million views. So if you want to know why that video and my other top performing YouTube videos all got millions of views, then you should watch this video next where I break it down for you. And if you want to just completely skip the trial and error phase of YouTube and have me work with you on a one-to-one basis to help you grow your channel, then click the link in the description, book yourself a strategy call, and I'll see you there.